Ready to finally download that app you've been waiting for? Let's troubleshoot that frustrating payment not completed message in the App Store right now. First, we need to check your payment information. Tap the settings icon on your iPhone's home screen. At the very top, tap on your name. This opens your Apple ID settings. Now tap on payment and shipping. You might be asked to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Carefully review the payment methods listed. Is anything outdated, expired, or incorrect? If so, tap on the card and update the information like the expiration date or CVV code. Make sure the billing address exactly matches what your bank has on file. Another option, add funds directly to your Apple ID. This can bypass card issues. Choose the Add Funds to Apple ID option and select an amount. If updating your payment information doesn't work, your Apple ID might have a restriction. Contact Apple support. Their contact info is in the description. To check for blocks and get the restriction lifted, they can provide details and guide you through resolving any issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the payment not completed error. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more app tips and tricks.